Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to close Chase bank account. Alright, so let's get started. So the first step to close your Chase bank account is to go to the Chase bank website. So once you go to the website, here you can see we have the steps of closing an account which is provided by official Chase app. So since Chase is not available in my region, I cannot show you exactly how you can do it, but looking at these steps, you can figure it out. It's quite simple. So the first step is to open the account, and here the second step is to tap the three dots. And once you go and tap the three dots, what you can do is you can tap on close account. So once you tap on close accounts, you are given some instructions that you have to follow, and here you can see these are some instructions that you have to follow while closing your account. So make sure you read this properly, and then you can proceed to close your Chase bank account. So here, after you have done that, you can just simply close your Chase bank account. I hope this video helped you. If you encounter any problems, don't forget to comment and I'll make sure I reply to all of you. So that's it. That is how you will be able to close your Chase bank account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.